Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani, Keshwani. We are here because we want to prepare for GRE. We have been solving GRE math problems out of this book here, the official guide to the revised GRE. If you do not own this book already, purchase one immediately. You're going to need it. Make sure you buy the second edition. The problems that we are about to solve today are the ones that you will find on page number 131. Please turn to it. Page 131. There are three problems there. These are the exact same problem that we solved on day number 25 and 26. Day 25 and 26. We have solved these problems already. We're going to redo them at a little bit of faster pace, faster pace without too much explanation. If you need a little bit more help in depth, you can always go and watch day 25 and 26. The point here is to understand that these problems, virtually the entire exam can be taken without a calculator. Calculator is something that's going to actually slow you down in most cases. Try to avoid it as much as you can. Every once in a while, of course, when there is no choice, when they're looking for a precise answer, when the question is such that what is the answer to down to a 10th digit or a 100th digit, they are looking for a precise answer, then of course there is no choice. You have to pick up the calculator. But in most cases you can just approximate, and that's all that is required in the entire exam. The very first one is 4 plus 6.73 over 2, 6.73 divided by 2. How many 2's in a 6? 6 has 3 2's. There is your decimal. How many 3's in a 7? 7 has 3 2's. 7 has 3 2's. The remaining one goes. The remaining one goes and joins the 3, becomes 13. How many 2's in 13? 13 has 6 2's. The remaining one goes and joins the 0, becomes 10. How many 2's in a 10? 10 has 5 2's. So it's 3.365. 4 plus 3.365 is going to give us 7.365, and that's our answer. Number 2. Number 2, we are told, is negative of 8.4 plus 9.3 over 70. 8 plus 9 is 8 2's are 16 plus 1 is 17, so it's negative 17.7 over 70. We know half of 70 is 35, and we also know that half of 35 is 17.5. This is 17.7. Therefore, this quantity that we're looking at, because it's 1/4 is 17.5, this is 17.6. Therefore, this quantity that we're looking at is approximately equal to negative 1/4. That's it. That's all you need in the real exam. Let's do number 3. That's it. We're done with number 2. Number 3. In number 3, they are asking us for the square root of 21 squared plus 54 squared. Well, 21 squared is pretty straightforward to figure out. Where is my pointer? 21 times 1 is 21, so that's 1, carry 2. 21 times 2 is 42, plus 2 is 44, so that's 441. Let's figure out 54 squared. 4 4's are 16, carry 1. 20 plus 1 is 21. 5 4's are 20, 0, carry 2. 25 and 2 is going to be 27. That's a 0. So we get 2916 plus 441 gives us 7533. So this whole thing is the same as square root of 3357. Now we know, now when I say we know, and if you don't know, that means you should know, we know that square of 50 is 2500. These are some basic things that you have to know for the exams. The square of 50 is 2500. And how do we know that? It's very straightforward, because 5 squared is 25, 5 squared is 25, and then we multiply 50 times 50, 5 times 5 is 25, and then we get the two zeros. Similarly we know that the square of 2500, the square of 60 is going to be 3600. This is 3600, this is 2500, because 3357 is very close to 3600. Square root of 3357 is going to be very close to 60. Square root of 3357 is something close to 60. Now these are the things that goes on in our mind, you understand? This is the kind of thinking you have to do in the exam. So it's very close to 60, but I doubt if it's going to be very close. I doubt very much if it's going to be as close as 59. I'm going to try 58. 58 times 58. 8 8s are 64. 4 carry 6. 8 5s are 40. Plus 6 is 46. 8 5s are 40. 0 carry 4. 25 plus 4 is 29. 4, 2, 10, 14. Unless I made a mistake, I'm coming up at 34, 24. Maybe I made a mistake. Is that a 0 or a 6? I have to redo it now. 40, that was a 0. That's a 0. That's a 0. So we get a 6 here. And we get a 13 here. Oh, there you go, 3364. And here we have 3357. That's pretty close. That's pretty damn close. And therefore we can say that this is approximately 58. That's it, we're done. It's going to be very close to 58. The correct answer, whatever it is, it's going to be very close to 58. Because 58 times 58 we just found out is 3364, and this is 3357. It's pretty damn close. That's it, we're done. Tomorrow we're going to do the next two problems that you see on the following page, and I'm going to show you again how to do these problems very quickly, very fast, without the help of calculator. As I said, calculator is a tool. It is not crutches. People forget that and they become very dependent on the calculator during the exam, and that's not a good sign. If you have to reach for the calculator every few seconds during the exam, that is not a good sign. That's it. I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Bye now.